Hey everyone, I'm Chris from Tire Supply Network, and with me today is a very special guest, Christine from Martin's Industries.
Hi, Chris. Thanks for having me. I'm super happy to be here with Tire Supply Network, which is one of Martin's authorized distributors.
Tire Supply Network sells the whole catalog from Martin's Industries, but today we're going to highlight our top three sellers: the Flatematic automatic tire inflator, their Magnum Plus balancing beads, and their Checkpoint wheel indicators. Christine, can you tell us what's unique about these products?
Sure, Chris. So, what's really unique and great about the MHA 100 is that it's portable. You can set up to two pressures and just walk away from the truck.
Now, there's a ton of balancing beads out there. What makes the Magnum Plus so unique?
Magnum Plus are so unique. They are the 2.0 tire balancing beads. They are made of tempered glass and they will last forever.
When it comes to the wheel nut indicators, there's a lot of competition out there. What makes the Checkpoint product family so great?
Well, Chris, Checkpoint are the original and the best. They are made of virgin polymer, which makes them the most reliable product out there. And when it comes to safety, reliability is key.
Perfect. Thank you for that, Christine. You guys can buy any of these products with fast and free 2-day shipping at tiresupply network.com.